Hey everyone, it's Shayan back with another essential guide for all of you Upwork enthusiasts. In this video, we are deep diving into the heart of your Upwork presence, your profile. I'm a top rated freelancer on Upwork and I've earned plus $20,000 on the platform so far, and in this video I'm going to share with you why your Upwork profile is your ticket to success on the platform. We've all heard that first impressions matter, right? Well, on Upwork, your profile is your first impression. Your Upwork profile is a window through which clients on Upwork estimate your professionalism, credibility, and of course, if you are the right fit for their project or not. Let's start with the very first thing, which is your profile picture. Now, maybe sometimes you pass this step very quickly, but actually your profile picture plays a very crucial role in your Upwork profile. Your profile picture humanizes you, builds trust, and also adds a personal touch to your Upwork profile. In order to achieve the best results with your profile picture, make sure that your background is clear, your face is well lit, and also you are looking professional and approachable. A little smile in your profile picture can make a lot of difference. Next on the list is your title. Your title isn't just about what you do, it's actually the headline that sells your expertise. So instead of just writing web developer as your title, why not to try writing experienced web developer specializing in e-commerce websites? Do you see the difference? It's result oriented, it communicates very well the values that you can bring to different projects, and it specializes you down in a niche. Additionally, don't forget to include relevant keywords in a natural way in your title. These will help you to come up in the search results, which we will talk about it later. Next on the list is your profile description. While your profile description has to talk about you, who you are, and what you offer, it has to more focus on what values can you bring to different projects. Your profile description has to clearly communicate with the potential client why you are different from the other freelancers on the platform. What is exactly that you can help them with the project, and also what are the different values that you can bring to their project. Make sure that your project description is error-free and grammatically correct, and also use different sections or emojis to make your profile description easier to read and follow. Additionally, I would recommend you to keep your profile description short, about 150 to 200 words, and keep it straightforward and to the point. Now moving on with a little more advanced steps in order to optimize your profile effectively on Upwork, you should consider adding skills and optimizing your portfolio on Upwork. You can actually add up to 15 different skills to your Upwork profile, which will help you to come up in the search results and also give a very short overview of what you're capable of, and also how can you help different clients with their projects. So make sure to add 15 skills that are relevant to your expertise and order them with their priority to help you maximize your visibility on the search results. Now, when it comes to portfolio, make sure to use high quality visuals. Don't hesitate to add videos to different portfolios, use case studies, and also show real world examples. By creating a very well structured, high quality, and also well descriptive portfolio, you add credibility and professionalism to your profile. In fact, your Upwork profile is way bigger than just a digital CV. Your Upwork profile is a reflection of your brand, the quality that you promise, and also your professional identity on the platform. By optimizing your Upwork profile, you don't only increase the chances of being found in search results, but also you add credibility in eye of your potential client. If you found this video helpful, make sure to watch the next video in this playlist, which is a step-by-step tutorial on how to optimize your Upwork profile for best results. And of course, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos, tips, tricks, guides and strategies on how to become a successful freelancer on Upwork in 2023. Thanks for watching this video, and until next time, happy freelancing.